everyone, welcome back to tutorial millennial. I'm sorry. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add soft roses on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom and click on video effect. And then at the menu, you can click on nature and swipe down until you can see a soft roses. This one. Click on it and click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the background animation and then for the speed. And after this, you can click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add a soft roses effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.